One of the distinctive features of the locomotive is Atlantic Shoreline Railway, with a period after it, we just noticed, after all these years. And it was not on 100 after, say, about 1910 or 12, but it really says what this locomotive represents, so we're going to put it on. Well, because we replaced the wood here, and because it had the paint had all fallen off anyway, there was zero trace of any of the lettering on the side. But there were very good photographs. This is a picture of 100 in 1907, and this is a picture of its twin, 102, in probably about 1908 or 9, somewhere in there. And this one is even better because it's almost straight on, and we can get a pretty good idea of what size the letters are. We know that this is 12 inches high, so knowing that, we can figure out the width of the letters, and I was doing it in metrics. This is 28 millimeters high and 15.5 millimeters wide, and I transposed that into inches. Now what we're going to do with this is one of our members is going to look on his computer. He has Adobe Illustrator, and there are all kinds of fonts, and he'll find one that's close to this, and then he'll start playing with the letters that they have so that they become this. And he will make, and we're not sure which way we're going to go, whether we'll have vinyl letters made for us that we'll stick on, or whether we'll have a stencil that we can then paint the letters on. And either one can be done with the same process. So we're going on that. This one I like a little better because the letters are a little bit more distinct. They're thinner. These over on this one, they look rather fat, whereas here they're more delicate, which is the way they used to be. And we are also locating on the car, that's what this sheet is underneath, various landmarks. Like I located these bolts right here, and then here's a ladder on the side of the car with the S just inside of it and the H on the other side. So with all those, we can pretty well tell where it goes. We know that this is the front left-hand corner of the cab because that one corner had the steps to get up to the roof, and they're still there. The numbers we'll talk about way later. We did find what we think are the original numbers when we scraped the paint off. So this area had never been scraped, whereas this area we, of course, just threw away. So that's a work in progress.